guys, what's up? Today I am going to be doing a what's inside a two power boxes. Not power boxes. I don't know what to call them. I guess charging ports. They're called charging ports. Today we're going to be seeing what is inside two charger ports. And when I mean charger ports, I mean that one and that one. They're both the exact same on each side. And before we even start, look at outside. Either you can't see from the black screening, or you can't see it because literally it's hailing non-stop. Like the hail just doesn't stop. It's been hailing the whole day, but so yeah. First, before we open it up, I don't really see any screws on this thing. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to beat the plastic, and after the plastic is gone, destroy all the plastic on the outer layer. But I don't know if you guys know this, but this is how I get into Pringles. No, because I don't want to break my Pringles. I'm just gonna get into it the proper way. And I broke a lot of them. And whatever. I find these Pringles really good. So, first, I'm going to try to break it with a 4-pound weight by going like that. And I'm going to have to... Oh god, no. There we go. That works. I'm going to have to... And I'm going to just slam as hard as I can down on the power box. So, let's do it. Trying number 1. In 3, 2, 1. I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna get to the 8-pound weight. 3, 2, 1. Not even close. We need something sharper. I know we do. Okay, I need to try to find something sharp. Okay, so I got scissors, and let's see if scissors will work. 3, 2, 1. Did it do? Oh, it scuffled it. Oh, it did do something. I'm just gonna keep stabbing it until it breaks. Oh, that does actually do a lot of damage. Now that's doing a lot of damage. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna keep doing this. Okay, so I've hit it a bunch of times with the scissors, and I've only done that much. So I'm going to try to get this. It is a huge bench, and I'm just gonna start chucking it at the bench, and hopefully it just explodes. I don't think it is, but I'm gonna try it anyways. So I tried it. I'll just say it did not go as planned because well, I can't find it and created a hole. So literally everything went horribly wrong. There it is. It's literally in the middle of the bed. This bed is so heavy. What the heck is this? What? Oh my god. I don't think I can. I'm gonna need something that can reach longly. What can reach longly? Is that long enough? Yes, it is. Got it. So, I threw it, it literally did nothing. Yet it broke this, because where did it hit? I don't know where it hit. But I do know it did not work, so, did anything happen to the bottom? Nope, bottom's still fine. Okay, let's put that back over the laptops. Let's find something else that might break into it. Stupid thing. Now, if you guys saw most of my videos, you'll know all you need to do is heat it up, then you can take the plastic off, but I don't have anything like that. The only thing I can do is go outside and smash it on the cement, but when the wind is so loud you guys won't be able to hear, and when I smash it, the wind will take all the pieces everywhere, because the wind literally blew my recycle bin all the way to the start of our street. So, I don't think just a little thing like this could do anything. Okay, so I got something that I know will break into it. Just, it kind of counts on how many times I hit it. It's a wooden racket, and I know it'll break into it. I just need to hit plenty of times, so I will be back when it is broken into. I don't know if you hear this, but I think that's the battery or it's something loose in there. I'm going to use the scissors and jab the scissors in the hole. Hopefully I don't get electrocuted, but yeah, there's no way this is working again, but this is really, really difficult to get into. So I'm done my Pringles can, and I think I'm going to have to go outside and smash it on the ground. Although the pieces might blow away, that's the only way I can do it. So I'm going to go with my broken up thing, and I am going to throw this at the ground as many times until it breaks. And sorry for the wind, it's going to be very, very, very much and very loud because it's very windy. So yeah, let's go outside. Okay, so I'm all ready to go, and let's go outside. It's going to be very windy, so sorry for the wind, but yeah, let's go. Oh, it isn't bad right now, but trust me, it gets bad. So I'm just going to take this and chuck it at the ground. Still didn't break. Yeah, there's definitely stuff inside of it, but It definitely did not break, so let's chuck it again. Don't think it broke. Let's try it again. And again. I'll be back when it's broken. Guys, I didn't even, as soon as I said I'll be back when it's broken, it broke. So, let's go inside and see what's inside. One second. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to be undressed in 3, 2, 1. Now I'm undressed. I can just see what's in here, and I can tell it's very confusing. So let's go back to my, I guess you can call it, studio, and let's show you guys what's inside. So this is what's inside. So some reason, I don't know what that is, but I think I'm just going to have to take it all out, and whatever is inside of here, I am going to be giving away, and I'm going to be trying to find the battery and give that away as well. So I'm going to have all the parts of this right here in 3, 2, 1, and before I get all of them, I just need to say the giveaway is the 2 batteries that are in it. And what is that? I don't know, but I'm going to do the giveaways after, and that's going to be, I don't know, I'm going to do the giveaways at the end of the video. Okay guys, so I just got everything out, and this is really cool. So the whole motherboard just popped out, and this is what's on the motherboard, and that's that. And then these are the 2 batteries, and that is it. But like, I think I might see the battery, so I am going to get that out. And yeah. Okay, so we have 3 batteries, 2 big ones, 1 tiny small one. So I will be giving those 3 away, and then I will also be giving the prongs away, which is just that. And if there's anything else you guys want me to give away, just comment down below, but nothing else looks interesting. Do you guys want me to give away that part? The actual, yeah, that part, if it focuses. Anyways, my eye is very bad, but do you guys want me to give away that part? Sure. Let me get it out real quick. So I couldn't get it out, so I'm not going to give that away. But I'm going to throw all the useless garbage in the garbage, because it is garbage. And yeah. So that is what is in one of these. Now this one is not open. This one. Oh, that's all garbage as well. Okay, so I'm also going to be giving away this, the hollow battery, and then I'm going to be giving away the full version. So basically, what I'm going to be doing is, like I said in my last What's Inside video, I already gave away some drone motors, which are right here, the drone battery, And like I said, I'd be giving away this huge unicycle, electric unicycle battery. This one, this I said I would give away if we reached 100 subscribers. This I said I'd give away if we reached 200 subscribers. And that I will give away if we reach 200 subscribers. And then this I will give away if we reach 250 subscribers. So 250 subscribers, 100 subscribers, and 200 subscribers. So I know you guys can do it. And let's put that in my giveaway box, I guess you can call it. Let's put 1 second. Okay, so in this bag I have every single giveaway, the unicycle one, and then I have 2 boxes which has the drone motors and the what is it? The one we just smashed open today, the charger port. So because that's it, I guess till then, peace.